welcome to another day of class. Welcome to your science class. Today is Tuesday, September the 8th, 2020, and today we're going to learn about the water cycle. Very good. So today we're going to learn about the cycle of the water and how does the water change? What is the process that the water follows in order to change? So, go to page 82 of your science book. Go to page 82 of your science book. Here you have this form. You have this illustration. And that's about what we're going to learn today. First, we're going to watch a video with that information.
Oh, it's raining. Hey, have you ever wondered where the rain comes from? Or how the clouds are formed?
Have you ever asked yourself how those the clouds are formed? Or how does the rain come from?
Well, this is what the water cycle is all about. Come, let's explore.
Let's learn.
When the sun heats up the rivers and oceans, water becomes water vapor and it rises up in the air. This process is called evaporation.
So, the first step of the water process is called evaporation. This process is where the water from the lakes, from the oceans, rise to the sky, and because of the light of the sun, becomes into vapor.
To cycle, you too can see water vapor at home. Just tell your mommy to heat some water. And as the water gets heated,
Of course, at home you can also see this process of evaporation. At home, if your mother is cooking something or is she burning water, so you can see there the vapor.
You'll be able to see the water vapor rising up in the air. When the water vapor reaches up in the sky, it turns into tiny droplets of water. These water droplets, along with various gases and dust particles,
so that drops of water with other gases becomes into the clouds. They are the ones that form the clouds.
Come together to form clouds. This is known as condensation.
And this process is the second part of the water cycle, condensation, the condensation of the water.
Now, hold a cold lid over the vessel in which you heated water. When you open the lid after some time, you'll be able to see water droplets on the lid. That's exactly what condensation is. When the cloud becomes too heavy.
What happens when the cloud becomes too heavy because it has a lot of water and it cannot hold any more water inside of it? So the cloud of water is going to rain. That's why rains happen, or that's how the rains occur.
And it cannot hold any more water inside. It bursts open to give out rain, hail, or snow.
That's
this
how we
known
can get rain or snow.
As precipitation.
And it's the last stage. It's called precipitation.
As it rains, water gets collected in oceans, lakes, and rivers.
And that's how the water gets collected again, and the process passes again and again and again. It's something that is going always be repeated. It's the process that always the water is going to follow in order to follow each one of the steps. So let's continue in our presentation. So now that you know the 3 stages of the water cycle, we're going to learn also about the physical stages of the water. The water has 3 physical stages: gas, liquid, and solid. The first one is the liquid. The liquid is found in rivers or lakes and seas, and it also can fall from the rain. Copy this section, please, in your notebook. Write the date and copy this section. So here we have liquid water. Look, in the seas, on the lakes, and in the rain. On the rain also. Then we have the solid state. Solid, like in cube ice. Solid, it is ice. Yes, it's ice. In nature, it is found as snow, hail, or glaciers. So copy this part also. And the last part is the gas. The last stage is gas. Water is found as gas in the clouds. Water, vapor, and humidity. Humidity like this picture and vapor like this. So those are the three forms of waters. Now your homework. Copy this part also, and now your homework. Homework time. Investigation, page 83. In your book, page 83, here you have in the activity number 3, 2 different questions. So you're going to write those questions in your notebook and you're going to answer them. Also, you're going to look for a picture that represents each state of the water: liquid, solid, and gas. You're going to look for that page, for that picture, and you're going to paste in your notebook. That was everything for today's science class. Hope you enjoyed to learn about the stages of the water and the water cycle. Bye! Keep safe!